Are you seeing the new login location detected? Please check your email error on Discord. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix the Discord login issue easily. First, open the Discord app on your device. Then go to the login page and enter your correct email and password on the login screen and hit the login to intentionally trigger that warning message. Now open your email inbox and look for an email from Discord with the subject like verify Discord login from new location. Once you find it, open it up and simply click on the verify login button. Once you see the IP address authorized page, then go back to Discord and attempt to log in again using the exact same email and password. And there we go. As you can see, the issue is totally fixed and my account is logged in. And that's it. If this video helped you to fix the Discord new login location detected error, please do me a massive favor and hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.